Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I am Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. For May that includes my hashtag Tim Burton challenge. Today's drawing is of a cat I developed with some character exploration in an old sketchbook in which I am filling in the unused pages. What I am going for here is a Burtonesque style, as that is the month of May. In real life, today's drawing took about 40 minutes. After that, I did some quick photoshopping and cut the cat out of the background and whacked it on some merchandise. You should check the link out in the description. Today I began with grey pencil and used my fairly messy blue pencil technique. This meant that the actual lines got pretty muddy. This also meant I had to grab my blue pencil and use that to clarify where I was going to apply fine liner. I decided I wanted the cat to be looking at the viewer, and I tried to keep it cute like in the original sketch. Without large pupils, I reckon it's not so cute. As I was drawing, I was trying to nut out what pose the cat would be in and whether or not it should have an animalistic or an anthropomorphic form. I went with a side-on jumpy cat pose. The legs were skinny and mostly devoid of form in a Mr. Whiskers style. Most of the detail was given to the head, with some attention given to shading and patterning. A hodgepodge of pens meant I applied both grey and black brush pen as well as fine liner to the drawing. Towards the end, I even applied some C100 Copic marker to thicken up some lines. I had wanted the eyes to be fairly bright, though still with faded grey surrounds, and in the end, copious use of marker just made the eyes dull. When drawing the whiskers, I used fast strokes with lessening pen pressure to get the tapered look, and I crisscrossed the whiskers as I reckon that aided the style. The tabby sort of patterning was shown by some zigzags that start skinny and get thicker, and I find that is a really fast and easy way to render stripes on any cartoonish animal. To show the cat is standing on the surface, I drew some lines that might be steps. I do not think that worked out too well, and if I did this in Photoshop, I'd probably add a drop shadow, extract it, and deform it to show the ground plane. To all but the eyes, some areas around the muzzle, and also the belly, I added a base of grey. Areas with not much fur got some pinks added, and the coat got various browns. To the teeth and claws, I added my default yellow. I shaded in such a way that the limbs hopefully did not look flat, and I was not too worried about going dark, as I'm getting used to how much vibrancy, or is that colour or perhaps saturation, the paper sucks out of the markers when dry. So yeah, here it is, photoshopped at the end. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you got ideas for your own sketchbook, or you even were inspired to draw in a Tim Burton style like me, subscribe, like and share, and show me what you come up with. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing. Waka waka.